Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display different images on different screen size or device like desktop or mobile layout in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. Now you see two images. So first image we are going to display on desktop layout only, and second image you see web task with Hassan, and we are going to display on mobile layout only. Now select second image. So we are going to display this image on mobile layout only. Hide on desktop layout. On top you see div mode, so click on it, and then you see turn on div mode, so again click on it. Now div mode open, and then select image. Now you see image selected, and then you see default value hidden collapse. Now select collapse. Now you see this image hide on both desktop and mobile layout because we select collapse. Now first close div mode. Now you see div mode and turn off. Now you see images hide on both desktop and mobile layout. Now you see switch mobile. So click on it. So we are going to enable this image for mobile layout. So we are in mobile layout. Now you see image is hidden. Now select. Now you see div mode. So again click on it. And then you see turn off div mode. So again click on it. Now div mode apply on mobile layout. Now select image again. And then you see collapsed. Now uncheck. Now image is visible on mobile layout but hide on desktop layout. Now close div mode. Now click on it, turn off. And then scroll up. You see another image. So this image we are going to display on desktop layout only. Now select. And then you see hide element for mobile layout. Enable this option. So this element hide on mobile layout. Now you see hidden element, and then you see image. So this image hide on mobile layout, and this image hide on desktop layout, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page. So we are in contact page and refresh the page, and then scroll down. Now you see image display on desktop layout, but you don't see other image. Now right click on it. So we are going to activate mobile layout, mobile simulator, activate the mobile view on this page. So mobile view open and then scroll down. Now you see another image display on mobile layout but hide on desktop layout, and our first image not display on mobile layout. So in this way you can display different images on different screen sizes like desktop and mobile in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.